Starting a YouTube channel isn't always easy, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out. But I'm here to tell you today why creating a YouTube channel is definitely worth it, even on those days where it feels slow and hard and overwhelming. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Mia. Now, when you're starting a YouTube channel, there's lots of things to figure out. So there's tech to figure out, there's confidence to build, and you have to silence that voice in your head that says, who's going to watch me anyway? But here's the thing, it gets easier. And honestly, for me, it's been so worth it, and it can be for you too. So YouTube has helped me grow in ways I never expected. Since I started my channel, my confidence has grown so much. I used to really worry about how I sounded and looked on camera. Now, not so much. I still cringe sometimes if I think, oh, why didn't I dye my roots? I really need to dye my roots. I'm looking really grey. But you know what? I hit publish anyway. I really feel like I've found my voice again. It's given me something that's just mine, something creative, meaningful and exciting. And it can do this for you too. So the good thing about YouTube is that it gives me focus and it keeps me relatively sane in this crazy world we live in. Sometimes life can be really full on. What with work, family, responsibilities, you know what I'm talking about. And amongst all that, you can get lost, you can lose yourself. But YouTube gives me focus outside of all of that. It's my space to learn and grow and connect with you. It's helped me feel more like me again. And honestly, it does just keep me sane sometimes. If you're over 40 and you've been thinking about starting a channel, but you haven't quite got round to it yet, well, take this as your sign. You're not too old and it's not too late. And you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. There's space on YouTube for everyone's voice. So there's space for your voice, your stories and your skills. And remember, when you do start, if you haven't yet, I'll be cheering you on all the way. And if you've already started your channel, then drop me a comment below and I'll take a look at your channel and I'll cheer you on in the comments. So yes, you know, I'm going to be honest with you, YouTube can be challenging at times, okay? But it's also so very, very empowering. It's helped me build confidence, creativity and community. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. So if you're over 40 and ready to get started, then hit that subscribe button. And check out the other videos on this channel for tips, tools and support to help you on your creative journey. And you know what? You've got this. And I'll see you in the next one.